Most people spend their entire lives in a state of silent war with reality. They complain about the rain, they curse their setbacks, and they burn their energy wishing for a life that is different from the one they have. They treat every obstacle as an intruder, a thief of their happiness. But there is a higher, more regal way to live. A way that turns every tragedy into triumph and every pain into power. The ancients called it Amor Fati, the love of fate. Welcome back to Inner Depth Studio. Today, we look back at the most beautiful yet most challenging principle of Stoicism, the art of not just accepting your life, but falling in love with everything that happens to you. Amor Fati is not a passive surrender to the waves of life. It is not a weak resignation. It is an enthusiastic embrace of reality in its entirety. It is the ultimate expression of the internal citadel. While the term was later popularized by the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche, its soul was forged in the fires of ancient Rome and Greece. Nietzsche famously wrote, "My formula for greatness in a human being is Amor Fati, that one wants nothing to be different. Not forward, not backward, not in all eternity, not merely bear what is necessary, but love it." Think about the darkest chapters of your own story, the heartbreaks, the betrayals, the moments when the pressure felt like it would shatter your very bones. From the outside, the world sees these as scars, but from the perspective of a Stoic, these are the very tools that carved your character. To love your fate is to realize that you are the architect of your own perception. You are the only one who can decide if an event is a catastrophe or a transformation. The Emperor Marcus Aurelius used a powerful analogy for this state of mind. He compared the human soul to a great fire. A small candle is easily extinguished by a sudden gust of wind, but a great, roaring fire consumes everything thrown into it. The very things that were meant to put it out only make it grow taller and burn brighter. This is the alchemy of Amor Fati. You don't just survive the fire, you become the fire. You stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start saying, "This is exactly what I needed." When you stop wishing for things to be different, you find a tranquility that the world cannot take away. You realize that everything that happens, the good, the bad, and the indifferent, is an opportunity to practice virtue. It is a chance to show courage in the face of loss and to find meaning in the midst of chaos. You stop being a victim of the whims of fate and start becoming its partner. This is the highest form of self-mastery, to look at the wreckage of your plans and say, "Yes, this too belongs. This too is beautiful." Because in the grand tapestry of your life, every dark thread is just as necessary as the golden ones to create the final masterpiece. Do not just endure your life. Do not just tolerate your struggle. Love it. Every scar on your skin is a testament to your resilience. Every tear you've shed has cleared your vision. It is all yours. It is all destiny. It is all Amor Fati. If you are ready to stop fighting reality and start embracing your journey, leave a heart or a dot in the comments below. Let us know that you have chosen to love your fate. Don't forget to subscribe to join our community of seekers. This is Inner Depth Studio. Keep seeking.